Hello, this is Benjamin with DealerSpike. Today's video topic will be on using the new feature we have called the Announcement Builder. Go into our left-hand menu, go down into Banners, click on Banners. The last option in that menu is Announcement Builder. Click there. First, select your site, select our build site. There's no announcements right now, so let's build in new announcement. First, give it a announcement name. It's just the internal name. Save it within the Spark editor. It doesn't display on the site. New store hours. If you do want to lead to a new page on your site, when someone sees this announcement pop up towards the top of your screen, put a link of where you want to go, where you want them to be led to. You have two different options. You can do a text-based or include an image. This announcement builder can be used for a number of things, but some of the ones that I can think of offhand would be new store hours, if you've got new units in your inventory, or maybe saying something about, hey, we're still open even during this time of a natural disaster like a flood. It can be used for any announcement that you want and lead to a page that she has more information about that announcement. Announcement text: we are closed on Sundays. Very simple. Have it go as a top banner. If you have lighter colors on your site, maybe go with the light theme, and if you have somewhat darker colors, go with the dark theme. The start date for this one as today. Start time 9:47. End date and tomorrow, 8 a.m. Create announcement. Now that it is saved, publish changes. Wait 1 minute. That particular announcement should appear on the top. We can see that now we are closed on Sunday. Banner appears. When a customer jumps onto your site, they can exit it really quickly and continue on looking at your site. That's all I have for you now. Until I talk to you again, have a great rest of your day.